Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smart and I'm your teacher, and I'll be teaching you different question and answer in this question and answer series by class Theta. So our today's question which we'll be discussing is you're installing a new media center for a client. It's 0803, the planned completion date, but the project isn't finished. The client wants to know when the project will be completed. So the plan started dates, plan end and actual date, start date and actual end date. So we have some dates here of plans, contract signed, ordered and received equipment, run wires, and we have dates of installing equipments, train customer on software. What should you tell them? We have some options here of final dates is 081, 0803, 08 10th and 08 17th or 08 24. So to answer this question, based on the information provided, the project has experienced delay in various phases. To estimate the new completion date, we need to identify the last activity or was completed, then and add running duration for remaining activities. The last completion activity in training customer days, which was completed on 0803. Now let's look at the remaining activities and their durations. Order equipment and received. Planned date is 07, already completed. Run wires, end date was 07/27, already completed. Installing equipment, planning date was 0803, already completed. Since all the remaining activities can be completed, we have concluded that the project is now finished at 0803, and you should tell the client that the project will be completed at 0803. So that's the answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next question.